Well, hello everybody, it's Lady T here. I'm in Milford, Michigan, off of North Main Street and Liberty. And I haven't been up here in a long time. It's not too far from my home, probably 20 minutes. So enjoy the little tour I'm going to give you guys. And thanks for tuning in. Alright, so I continue walking down here. And this looks like an art gallery. Main Street Art. Let's see what they got in here. Now these are all, that's watercolor right there. Or it might be oil. Actually, I think it's watercolor. Oh, I love the lily pad, that's cute. It's a Mackinac Bridge going up north. There's Michigan in tiles. Beautiful, beautiful deers. I really love the artwork in this store. That great big flower there. I like the horses right there. My niece would really love that. It's $985 though. We got some things made out of clay. Little birdhouse. Cardinals. How nice Milford is. It's a really cute town. We got a burger place over here. It's a burger joint. It looks like it's open too. And they got a fudge shop. Looks like an old building, huh? Looks like a lot of chocolates, and let's see what they got in here. Oh, that's so cute. And in there is a shop. So, I think it's Gravity Bar and Grill up there. And there's a restaurant here. Part of the inside there, looks like they got a bar up there, but it's closed. And just continue walking down here. I like that gate, it's really cute. This bakery too. We got a unisex hair salon here too. It says they're open. Let's peek inside and see what we can see. Yep, there's a hair salon. Here we got a restaurant called Smoke Street. That's it there. But it doesn't look like they're open. I'm kind of surprised. Let's see. 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. and okay, they open up real late. That's what it looks like in there. Grill, Mediterranean Fresh. That sounds good too. So, yeah, so a lot of these restaurants aren't even open, so I don't know what's going on. Unless they just open later, you know, they're having shorter hours. I'll go up here. It's called Blue Bridge Outfitters. It's a clothing store, it looks like. And knickknacks and things. All right, now we're coming up to Milford House ice cream. There's a menu over here. Menu over there. And here is these cute little tables. It's at the Wine Studio by Milford House. And Jimmy John's up here, yay! They have really good subs up here. They're very good. That's the inside right there. Inside of Jimmy John's. All right, now we're continuing down on the other side of the street here. So we saw one side of the downtown. So Sweetwater's coffee and tea. We got some people in there. That's the entrance. It says, yes, we are open. So we just got one gal working in there. Let's get on this way, see what we got. A lot of traffic up here. It looks like a real estate agency. And I might have to go around these people here because it looks like a restaurant. But look at this place. It's called Candy and More. Treats for the tummy and mind and soul. We got Beanie Babies. Look at the Beanie Babies. Oh, they're so cute. Yeah. I don't think, these aren't Beanie Babies, but the ones next to it are. I like the cat. As a matter of fact, my niece had a lot of these when she was growing up as a kid. Her Beanie Babies. And the ones that are retired, they're worth some money, you know. That's the inside right there. It's like a big place. A small place, but with a lot of stuff. Some more stuff for kids here. We got knickknacks. Cute little knickknacks in here. We got some Hello Kitty stuff too for the little kids. Yeah, TY, they make a lot of toys. All right, this is a Native American store right here. You can see all the handcrafted items here. Pretty horse and her foal. Love it. Oh, the pretty jewelry there. I love the jewelry. I love the eagle. It's so pretty. And I love this stone right here. That's gorgeous. It's got the purple and the white in there. I'm not sure what kind of stone that is. An amethyst or something like that. It's an owl. Well, it looks like they're going to open up a Beyond Juicery and Eatery. This is on North Main Street, on the other side of the street that I was walking on. That place should be good. I'd like to go in there. And we got Village Forest, home decor and gifts. Oh my gosh. Wherever a beautiful soul has been, there is a trial of beautiful memories. I love that. Till roses lose their petals, till the heather has lost its dew, till the end of time, I will remember you. That's beautiful. I like that. I'm sure they can do personal ones too, engravings. I like the angel. That's really cute. It's an owl. That looks like something you can make yourself, you know. Here's Acorn Farms. We got some This is Polish pottery, definitely. Look at that. I love the bowl. The big bowls are really nice. Really nice. They look nice quality. There's a little peek on the inside. There's Main Street Grill and Tavern. Looks like a pretty good place there. They're now hiring in all areas. With some patio. Well, thank you guys for joining me, coming along with me to Milford, Michigan. It's on North Main Street and in Southeast Michigan. So if you're ever up here, it's a real nice city. Lots of cute little shops, restaurants, gift shops, hair salons, and florists too. So yeah, I love coming up here. I haven't been up here in quite a while. Anyway, I'll probably make another video next week. I'll probably go to some other town, but I'm not sure when. I've been wanting to go to Henry Ford Museum, but it's closed because of the virus. And Fort Wayne. Fort Wayne is where they do like a reenactment of the Civil War and stuff like that, but that's been closed too. And my guess is they're probably not going to be open until next year, maybe. I don't know. Thanks again for joining me, you guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching. God bless.